Hey guys, what's going on? It's Jeff. Okay, new recipe today. I'm gonna show you my roasted chickpea and farro salad. Farros are really popular ancient grain all throughout the Mediterranean. I think you guys will like this salad. You can really mix up the dressing. I often put it in a bowl and I use kind of a lemon tahini dressing. If you guys wanted to do something like cilantro avocado or ranch or Mediterranean or whatever you guys wanted, you could totally mix it up. I think you'll like the recipe. It has lots of fresh ingredients. I hope you guys have been enjoying the blog so far. It's been a really fun experience for me. I'm gonna obviously try to get as much stuff posted as I can. But as I mentioned before, I still have my day job. I've been busy at work. So anyway, thanks for the feedback. Thanks for following me on the YouTube channel and hitting the like button for me whenever you can. I totally appreciate it. And anyway, I'll catch you guys in the next one.